For the last 3 years, AI has been patiently listening to you talk about your problems, your thoughts, your ideas, the things you love, the things you hate, and it knows you better than anyone else. One question: what if you could take all of that data, every single conversation that you've ever had, and upload it to a single brain? A digital clone of yourself that doesn't just answer your questions or tell you what you said, but helps you unlock the hidden potential that you didn't even know that you had. Is that something that you would be interested in? Because if it is, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to collect all of your AI history, run a simple script that breaks it up into manageable files, and then clone yourself inside NotebookLM so that you can discover your own hidden potential. The first thing you want to do is go to ChatGPT, click on the bottom left-hand corner, go to settings, go to data controls, and then come down to export data, and then click confirm export. And in a few minutes, you're going to get an email with a link to your data. Now let's download our Claude data. Go to the bottom left-hand corner, click on the initials, go to settings, privacy, and then click on export data. You have a few more options here, but I recommend just clicking export and export everything. Same thing as with ChatGPT. You're going to get an email with your data. Just click download data and it should immediately begin downloading. The next platform we're going to do is Grok. Same thing. Go to the bottom left hand corner, click on your profile, go to settings, data controls, scroll to the bottom, and then click on export account data. It's important that when you come to this particular page that you then come to the left and click on data, and now you'll see the option for you to download your data. Click download and the download request is going to be sent. And in just a few moments, you'll get an email where you can download your data. The next set of AI data we're going to download is Gemini. Gemini is a little bit tricky, so I need you to pay attention. You're going to go to takeout.google.com, and what you're going to see is that there are 73 different selections that are selected. I want you to deselect all, and then I want you to scroll down. Now, it's very important that you don't stop here at Gemini, because this is not the one that you want to download. Leave this one deselected. Scroll down until you get past all of the Google apps and you find My Activity. Select this one, then select All Activity Data Included. There's a lot of data in here and most of it we don't need. Deselect all. I'm going to choose AI mode for different things where I search because it's still kind of like a conversation. Definitely choose chat, Gemini apps, and then click OK. It's also important to note that you can also export your NotebookLM data here if you wanted to take it elsewhere as well. But for now, we're going to scroll to the bottom, click next step, choose how we want to receive our download, how many times it's going to be exported, how often, then click on create export. And as you can see, I've already downloaded the data. Now that you downloaded all of your data, you're probably going to have 4 zip files. Just go ahead and open those zips up so that you have regular folders, and then create one folder titled AI_exports like you see I have at the top of the screen. You're going to drag and drop your folders into this particular folder. And what I'm going to do is rename my folders so I know which one is which. So in your computer, in your home, downloads, you should have a folder AI_exports that holds your conversation data from all 4 platforms. The next thing you want to do is copy this Python script right here. And what we're going to do is just press Command A on Mac, Control A on Windows, and then Command C or Control C on Windows. Then we want to come over to terminal and paste in the Python script. And after it's pasted, we want to press enter. A few moments after you run that script, you should find a folder inside your downloads titled NotebookLM_ready. And inside of that download, you're going to find several files going down that have parsed and chunked your conversations. And so those 4 files have now become 91 different files. If you're on the free plan for NotebookLM, you can only upload 50 sources. If you're on the Plus plan, you can upload 100. If you're on the Pro, 300, Ultra, 600 sources to a single notebook. So if I were on the free plan, I would have to set up 2 notebooks. Now, here's a quick sanity check to make sure everything was done right. I can look at the size of them and I can see that they're all roughly around 3 megabytes. They're not supposed to be larger than 5 megabytes or 450,000 words. I could have uploaded all of my data to a single notebook inside NotebookLM, and that would have been fine, but I would have gotten a lot of summaries, or the AI might have drifted towards things that I talk about a lot, or things that had a seemingly stronger emotional attachment. So what I've done is I've created 3 notebooks with 30 files apiece so that each of them essentially holds probably the equivalent of 1 year's worth of conversations. This gives me some level of granularity, and the more granularity you want, then you just separate the files even more. And inside of each notebook, I've created a Corpus index and a Nugget ledger. So the Corpus index is basically going to tell us what's inside of this particular notebook. And the Nugget ledger is going to tell us what are the skills, the talents, the breakthroughs, the processes, the methodology that's contained inside of this particular set of conversations. Then I created a fourth notebook that only contained those 6 files because I wanted a high signal to noise ratio, and there is practically zero noise inside of this notebook. The next thing I did was I ran a very detailed and specific prompt for actually finding the hidden potential, or the 10 core hypothesis for what my hidden potential was. I then downloaded that report, and then I uploaded it to Gemini with the relevant notebook attached to create my own hidden potential charter. And this report gave me an evidence summary. It gave me a signature pattern, variance, environment requirements, failure modes, 14-day experiments to test if some of these things were actually true or not. Because this is not about theory. This is about taking action. This is about understanding yourself and doing better. Discovering your hidden potentials is powerful, and it builds confidence. And having a way to validate that through tests is something that's absolutely necessary. But something that I find even more intriguing is the ability to take these and then to build on top of them even further once they're validated. Because some of these you can look at and start building on top of. And so what I chose to do was to build a 30-day marketing plan right on top of this. Gemini was able to quickly and accurately write a positioning statement for my brand, set up differentiators based on my chat, create an offer stack, flesh out my messaging, and in particular, dive deep into the Severed Creator, which was a video I did that didn't get a lot of views, but it's very powerful because I see a lot of overlap between that television show and the creator economy. But I digress. And these messaging pillars are essentially a full content strategy with content formats and a 30-day execution plan, all based on my chat history over the last 3 years. And finally, a do not do list. Things that will absolutely not work for me based on 3 years of data. And yes, I can go inside of NotebookLM and create podcasts based on that chat history. I can create slide decks. There are so many different things that I can create, but there is probably nothing more valuable than these 10 points in this do not do list, because these are going to save me time. They're going to save me money. They're going to save me energy, frustration, and they're going to allow me to focus on the things that will actually work for me in 2026. But maybe you don't need a marketing plan. Maybe you want to study 3 years of your chat history to help you identify your character deficiencies and create better character qualities. Maybe you want to use it to help you make better financial decisions and to create generational wealth. Any of these is possible once you download your data and you upload it to a platform like NotebookLM, where you could begin to do research into your own life based on your own chats with AI over the last 3 years, because we've all been using it, and there's so much data there that you absolutely need to find your own creative ways to start processing and mining that data so that you can learn more about you and more about the things that you care about and get ahead in life. If you got value out of this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hype the video so it reaches more people. And as always, take care, have a great day. And if you want to learn more about my NotebookLM workflows, make sure you check out this playlist right here.